I bet you didn't know a simple wiring issue can make your gear display vanish. Let's break down the most common reasons your Chevy Colorado keeps you guessing. First, don't panic. This is a common issue. If your gear display is blank or stuck, start by checking your vehicle's battery. Low voltage can mess with electronics, so make sure your battery is charged and the terminals are clean. Next, look at your fuses. A blown fuse can cut power to the display. Use your owner's manual to find the gear display fuse and check if it needs replacing. Still no luck? The gear selector switch might be to blame. If the switch is dirty or faulty, your truck can't tell what gear it's in, and the display won't update. Gently move the shifter back and forth to see if the display flickers. Sometimes, it's just a loose wiring connector. With the vehicle off, check the wiring under the center console if you're comfortable doing so, or have a mechanic take a look. If none of these steps work, it's time to visit a trusted repair shop. Don't ignore the problem. A broken gear display can lead to bigger issues down the line. Remember, simple checks can save you time and money. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep your Chevy Colorado running smoothly.